Cleaning your radio to get rid of germs by Paul, Mike 0 Whiskey November Uniform or 26 Charlie Tango 730 if you catch me on 11 metres and PMR 446.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's Paul, Mike 0 Whiskey November Uniform. Okay, one of the things we've been told to do if we go out and come back in is apparently clean and sanitise our phones. They didn't tell us to sanitise radios. Now thinking about it, you're going out into the outside world, could end up contaminating the radio with a virus. You don't want to do that. Or, well, anything really. This would be applicable even after this whole mess is finished. So, here's what I'm going to do. Because, you know, I don't want to get my radio covered in germs. Some kitchen roll, which I will put out of the way. There you go. Roll up to a ball. And a little spray bottle full of disinfectant. Pine disinfectant. A specific brand of it, which I shall not mention. And just spray it all over like that. I'll show you. Then, I'm wearing gloves as well, because, you know, virus. Could be anywhere. Then I'm going to take my little Baofeng UV-5R and I'm going to completely clean it. Wipe it over with disinfectant. You have yourself a very clean radio. Even the antenna's getting the treatment. This is going to be the cleanest radio I own. Every last little bit is going to be done because, you know, we won't get a virus now, do we? And then all you do after that is let it dry off in the air and you will have a radio that smells of pine disinfectant. And that's looking as good as new. Near enough. Are we there yet? Any more bits? Well, that never gets opened, so that's okay. I'd say that's one clean radio. And then when you're done, you chuck your paper towel, cloth, whatever, in the bin. I don't have a bin in here, so it's going to go down there till I can throw it in the bin. So, you want to clean your radio, or at least make it smell of pine disinfectant, then that's what you do. So this is Paul, Mike 0 Whiskey November Uniform, or 26 Charlie Tango 730 if you catch me on 11 metres and PMR 446. You could do the same to your 446 handies as well. I haven't done this one, but you could do it to that. You could do it to your CB radio, the microphone on that, and the controls. You could do it to the handheld CBs. You could do it to any radio. The government said do it to mobile phones, but clean mobile phones off when you come back in, but they never said anything about two-way radio equipment. So I think it's time I said something about that. We're in a lockdown. We don't want this thing spreading anymore. There you go. I think we've sorted that out for you. 7 threes for now. Catch you in the next one.
Don't forget, you can subscribe to this channel and ring the bell to be notified of new videos as I upload them. 73 from Paul, Mike 0 Whiskey November Uniform, or 26 Charlie Tango 730 on 11 metres and PMR 446.